Hey guys, welcome back to another video. First of all, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been watching all my arty videos. You guys seem to really love art, and you know, I don't blame ya. It's fun, it's therapeutic, and you know, you end up making some really nice pieces as well. Today I had a thought. I thought, let me try and make art with supplies from Poundland. For those who are not from UK, Poundland is basically like Dollar Tree in US. Basically places where you can get things for really cheap. Should be £1, but there's a couple things in Poundland that are for more than £1. I don't know why they've got such a cheek, but you know, it's the low prices. And basically the purpose of this video is to kind of encourage you guys that you don't need to spend a lot of money to make really nice art. So I'm going to pop into Poundland, my local Poundland, and try and get all the supplies that I need to make a nice art piece. So this is the shop we're going to. We're going to Poundland. I know in US you probably have things like Dollar Store, but yeah, this is our UK Dollar Store. Okay, so they usually have bigger canvases, but today I don't think they're stocking them. Very annoying. So I'll probably have to get them elsewhere. I'm probably going to grab some paint from here and maybe some brushes as well. This is so annoying. The white is sold out. Okay, so I found some filler here, all-purpose filler. This is £1.50. It says it's white. Let's try it. They've got some scrapers here as well for £1.50. I'm not going to buy this because I frankly have too many at home, but you can get them from Poundland. Okay, so we're in another shop. I'm going to have to grab one of these boards because Poundland didn't have any. A little bit more pricier, but it's okay. Why is everywhere sold out of white paint, please? Okay, so we are now back home. I've put on my ugly painting t-shirt on and my hair is a little bit wild, but it's okay because we're all artists and artists are not meant to be neat and tidy. So, as you guys saw, I couldn't actually get everything at Poundland, which I feel like always happens whenever you want to go into the store for something that you've seen previously. You go in the next time and it's not there, and it's kind of like... So from the Poundland, so from Poundland I got this all-purpose filler. Like, I think the worst outcome that could possibly happen is that it doesn't stick onto the board. So hopefully it sticks. I mean, it looks all right. You know, it looks like I can use it a bit. And as for the spatulas, I didn't buy any spatulas or brushes because I already have loads. This is my box of stuff. So as you can imagine, I probably don't need any more spatulas or brushes. I'll just use what I already have. But again, I didn't pay anything more than £5 for any of these brushes or spatulas, simply because I'm very frugal with my money and when it comes to hobbies, because I don't know how long they're gonna last. So then I went next door to the works and I managed to find this acrylic paint. I don't know how great it is, but you know, that was part of the challenge. This was £2. And then I bought this canvas board as well. It's not that big. It's like A2 size, I think. Hi.
Sorry, you carry on. It's alright, don't worry. Don't mind me, I'm not even here. Right, everyone, how you fucking doing? Right, beautiful.
Yeah.
See you later, guys.
Bye. Yeah, so I got this canvas again. As you can see, because a lot of you guys asked me what I put on the canvases previously, and I'll show you guys. So it says here, double gesso primed. So it's already primed with the primer. Okay, with the plaster I think you can either get it primed with something like acrylic or something like that. Again, I'm no expert. If I'm wrong, please feel free to tell me, but it is primed, so it will hold the like paint or filler onto the actual canvas so it doesn't soak through. I know you're not really meant to smell these things, but it actually smells disgusting. It smells like, compared to the other one I bought from a hardware shop, this smells a lot more toxifying. Okay. I mean, the texture seems cool, but I guess the real results is probably when it dries and then when I paint over it. So I'll probably just make something quickly, let it dry, and then let you guys know. Use the scrapey scrape. I think one thing I want to try this time is to cover up the entire canvas, which is something that I haven't done in my past few pieces. I usually kind of just leave it in the middle. I mean, to be fair, even that looks quite nice. I might just leave it like that. No, I will cover it right to the edge and test this Poundland filler, which absolutely stinks. Can you smell it?
Mm-hmm.
Add some texture to it. So I'm going to leave this to dry for about an hour, and then I will come back to test if it's actually sticking onto the canvas and then paint it. I probably won't recommend using this, I mean, unless you wear a mask or you're doing it outside, because the smell is absolutely intoxicating and I can't breathe. So this is the next day. I don't know who I was kidding, just leaving it an hour to dry, but it ended up taking a few hours to dry, and I've left it the next day. To be honest, I actually quite like this color because the filler or spackle was quite white already. I actually really like it, and I don't think I'm going to paint over it that much. I will use some acrylic paint, maybe just to try out what it may look like, but as you can see already, like, it's already quite white, and I kind of like the kind of fluorescent tinge it has to it, but I'm gonna try it and we'll see how it goes. As for the back of the board, it's actually stiffened quite a lot, so I'm quite happy with that. There has been some paintings that I've tried to use and it cracks in the middle or it crumbles off a little bit, but this has seemed to have made it really firm, which is perfect if you want to hang it up on a wall. So I'm just gonna blob a little bit of paint on. To be honest, there's not much difference in color. Maybe if I try a larger patch. there is a slight difference. To be honest, I think I would have preferred not to paint it, but seeing as I've already started, I may as well commit to it. Other than that, I think I'm really happy with this piece. And there you have it, guys. I mean, to be fair, this paint wasn't that great. It's a little bit too, I think for me it's a little bit too thick. I do have better acrylic where I have more time to kind of like sort out the strokes and things like that, but you know, it's £2. So yeah, there you have it. I think, okay, so if we total everything, the paint was £2, the board was £4, the filler was £1.50, and then brushes and tools were my own as well. So about £7.50, not including my own tools, which, you know, probably everyone has lying around their house somewhere. Not bad. Also, I know a lot of you guys ask me what I seal them with, and frankly my professional answer is I don't know. If you do have acrylic, then you can varnish it with like acrylic varnish. I think it just protects it and it stops it from getting so dusty. Other than that, I don't really know. I mean, I don't really varnish or cover any of my stuff. I just leave it how it is. In terms of the longevity of it, the very first plasterboard that I made, like, it's still standing, it's still, nothing's crumbling, so it's absolutely fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.